How to lose weight? Russian diet concept. Are you looking for someone to lose weight? Are you struggling from obesity? The Russian way, it's maybe the best choice for you. Images of Russian beauties, strength and fitness. Russian weight loss diet concept includes lots of hard work, obstacles. The Russian celebrities give in advance a way how they could stay in such a good condition, as good as they can. Before you watch this video, subscribe my channel and watch more video. Don't forget to leave your comments below this video. Enjoy!
Renata Litvinova, one of the most mysterious female 49 years old actress, regisseur, producer from St. Petersburg. Renata Litvinova has an excellent figure and a very good condition of the skin. In a while, she does an alcohol diet, in which for several days straight she drinks white wine, eats seasonal cheese, and consumes nothing else.
Renata sleeps 5 to 6 hours per night. Anyway, she manages food relax. The less you manage to eat, the less you need to sleep. Actress 100% sure about this. Litvinova, sure, the 90% your success depends on your lifestyle, on your nutrition, your metabolism. You can assume that Renata eats almost nothing. Then why, which way she could stay such a skinny? She would be hardly to manage such a slender figure.
For any ballerina as Maya Plisetskaya, every extra kilogram is a disaster. It should be light, airy, weightless, to easily perform simple pirouette that would have the audience admired her air flight. The Russian famous ballerina Maya Plisetskaya once said, "If I want to lose weight, I stop eating." And it was all her life, the fight against excess weight. She was forced to completely give up meat, eggs and all dairy products, flour, potatoes, tomatoes, chocolate, coffee, for all of the doors were closed in the diet of the stars of world ballet. Very rarely used fish on the menu. It's mainly used in food, lentils, oats, ballet, broccoli. Her diet looks like this. For breakfast, oatmeal, porridge, lunch, soup or salad, the main things that she would have made of vegetables. For dinner, rice or fish. In between meals, could and extinguish hunger, fruits or vegetables without starch. How to lose 10 to 15 kilograms in 15 days? Well, almost all the time in the hard diet, Maya Plisetskaya, 15 days, I lost weight at 10 to 15 kilograms. She flew on the stage like a bird.
How you know the gymnastics school in Russia? The best school in the world. Alina Kabayeva. From your childhood, she was very fat to do gymnastics. Then she met Irina Venek. She took her to a trainer center in Soviet Union in Moscow. All of her 3 days of diet. 3 days, no food. For breakfast, water. For dinner, water. For lunch, water. 3 days water. Irina said, "In 3 days you will not see, I will squeeze out your fat by my hands." She was so hungry. She begged her for food.
The curves come and go. she says, subject is training commitments. I eat Russian caviar by the spoonful. It is so good for you, she says. But when I was preparing for competition, I ate just 1 spoonful of dried apricots, nuts and raisins. In the morning, enough calories for a 10-hour day of training. My other diet is buckwheat and green tea. It's so boring, you can never get fat on it.